Hello, my name is Kotex Pro, and today I wanted to present you how to write basic programs in C++. For start, I open Visual Studio. Now we need to create a project. The name of our project is Hello World. Now we need to create a C++ file. To do this, we need to click on Source File, right click, add new item. The name of the C++ file is source.cpp. We don't change this name. Okay, let's start write the basic program. We need to include IOStream library. This library is used for cout and cin keyword. Now return 0 system. A basic program looks like IOStream. Every program contains the library IOStream. Namespace std is used for keyword cout. If we don't include namespace std, we need to write the code this with extension std : cout. And the same is for end line. End line is for new line. Now the programs show the message hello world. Cout is for show a message. IOStream make a possibility to write this cout. Now we have include namespace std and we can't delete this std : This is the basic programs. If we compile this, the compiler showing hello world. New line. If you can see, is to new line. This is the basic programs. Cout less and for cin is greater. We talk about this in the next video. And in the next video, I prepared for you data types. We discuss about data type, variable, how to use this variable, and how to create some variable. We have a website. This website is not hacker security. In this website you can find more documentation about IOStream using namespace std, and I post this video on YouTube and website. The link of the website we can find in the link description. Sorry for my bad English. I try to improve this every day. Thanks for watching. Bye.